Today we are making oven-baked Japanese teriyaki salmon, a tender, glossy dish with sweet savory glaze and deep flavor. It serves 4 people and takes about 25 minutes from start to finish. Let us walk through the ingredients, starting with 4 6-ounce salmon fillets. Choose pieces that are similar in thickness so they bake evenly and stay tender. 1/4 cup soy sauce brings the salty, savory base of the teriyaki glaze and gives the salmon its deep color. 2 tablespoons mirin add gentle sweetness and that classic glossy finish that makes teriyaki so appealing. 2 tablespoons sake add aroma and help round out the sauce so the glaze tastes balanced, not heavy. 2 tablespoons brown sugar help the glaze caramelize in the oven and give the salmon a warm sweetness. 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger gives the sauce brightness, warmth, and a clean Japanese-style aroma. 2 cloves garlic, minced, add a savory backbone that supports the sweetness without overpowering the salmon. 1 tablespoon neutral oil lightly coats the baking surface so the salmon releases cleanly after baking. 2 scallions, thinly sliced, bring a fresh bite and a bright green finish to the rich glazed fish. 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds adds a nutty aroma and a delicate crunch right at the end. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and place the rack in the center so the salmon bakes evenly. While the oven heats, pat the 4 salmon fillets dry with clean paper towels. A dry surface helps the glaze cling and keeps the texture tender. Now make the glaze. In a bowl, whisk 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons sake, and 2 tablespoons brown sugar until the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar has dissolved, stir in 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger and 2 minced garlic cloves. This gives the glaze its warm aromatic base. Brush 1 tablespoon neutral oil over a baking sheet, then place the 4 salmon fillets skinned side down with a little space between them. Spoon half of the teriyaki glaze over the salmon now, and reserve the remaining half for brushing during baking. Let the glazed salmon sit at room temperature for 10 minutes. This short rest gives the sauce time to season the surface without curing the fish. Bake the salmon at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. The glaze will start to bubble while the fish begins to turn opaque. After 8 minutes, brush the reserved half of the glaze over the salmon. This second layer builds that shiny, lacquered teriyaki finish. Return the salmon to the oven and bake for 4 to 7 minutes more, until it flakes easily and reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part. Let the baked salmon rest for 5 minutes. This keeps the fillets juicy and lets the glaze settle into a smooth coating. Now transfer the salmon to a matte white plate and spoon any pan glaze over the top for extra shine and flavor. Finish with 2 thinly sliced scallions and 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds. The fresh green onion and nutty sesame balance the rich glaze. Serve the salmon warm while the glaze is glossy and the fish is tender. That completes the recipe. And there it is, oven-baked Japanese teriyaki salmon that delivers the tender texture and glossy sweet savory glaze we promised. Enjoy it warm, and if you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell.